welcome back to the channel. This is Mohammed Ruaifa.
Hello guys, you are watching True Wanderers, and today we are going to unbox the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So we have the 4GB 64GB ROM variant available with us, and the color which I have with me now is champagne gold. So we have one more variant available for Redmi Note 9 Pro, that is 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM, and both variants are expandable up to 512GB. So there are three colors available in this model other than the champagne gold, that is Aurora blue, glacier white and interstellar black. So let's unbox. So the champagne gold color, basically these sides are completely with gold and the back comes with a half white gold. So these are the things which comes inside the box. One main device, a silicone case, adapter and cable. Almost all the Redmi phones comes with a silicone case. So let's take a look at the device. So all these sides are complete golden color, which looks pretty good, and we have a full screen display, a quad cam, and your touch sensor is placed here. Now let me tell you the specifications of this device. So as I earlier said, it is a 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, and it is expandable up to 512GB. And this comes with a OS of Android 10. The chipset in this is 720G Snapdragon. The battery is pretty good, which is 5020 mAh, and the charger is 30 watts. So let's go to the cameras. So the front camera, which is inbuilt in the screen, is of 16 megapixel. We have a quad cam here. The primary camera is of 48 megapixels. The wide angle camera is of 8 megapixel, and we have 5 megapixel macro camera, but then the depth cam sensor is of a lower end, which is of 2 megapixel. So the weight of this phone is 209 grams, which is pretty good. It feels light, and the display is of 6.6 inch Gorilla Glass 5, and we have a fingerprint sensor here, and it has face recognition as well, and gyroscope is present in this, and other than this we have ambient light sensor in this as well. So as you all know, this comes with a dual SIM. If you find this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe. And to watch other unboxing videos of our channel, please click here. Thanks.